Most homeowners think that their insurance covers everything. It doesn't. And the things that it doesn't cover, those are the things that may bankrupt people. Today, I'm going to walk you through the biggest exclusions hiding inside your homeowner's insurance policy and the things your policy will not pay for, no matter how much you've been paying in premiums. And I'll be honest with you, some of these are going to surprise you because a lot of these exclusions involve the exact scenarios most people assume they're protected against. Hi, I'm Carlos Vargas with Vargas & Vargas Insurance. So let's get started. Let me walk you through the major ones, and I'll explain why each matters for Massachusetts homeowners specifically. Number one, flood damage. This is the biggest one. Your homeowner's insurance policy does not cover flooding, period. Not from a river, not from rain, not from storm surge. If water comes in from outside of your home that is not covered under a standard homeowner's policy, you need a separate flood insurance policy for that. And in Massachusetts, with the nor'easters that we get, the coastal flooding and the amount of development in flood-prone areas, and the way FEMA keeps redrawing the flood maps, this is something every homeowner needs to at least consider. Number two, earthquake damage. Now, Massachusetts isn't California, but New England does get some seismic activity, and we've had notable earthquakes throughout our history. Standard policies exclude earthquake entirely. If you want it, you need an endorsement. The endorsement is also very affordable to add on to your current homeowner's policy. Number three, sewer and water backup. Here's one of the catches a lot of people off guard. If your sewer line backs up into your basement, or your sump pump fails during a heavy rain and water floods into your lower level, that's not covered under a standard homeowner's policy. You need a specific endorsement for sewer and water backup. And in my experience, it's one of the most common claims that we see. This endorsement is usually very affordable and most people don't have it. Number four, maintenance issues, gradual damage. Your homeowner's insurance policy is designed for sudden and accidental events. A tree falls on your roof, a pipe bursts. It's not designed to cover maintenance items that happen slowly over time. If your roof has been leaking for months and the water has been rotting your attic, that's not a covered loss. That's a maintenance issue. Insurance companies expect you to maintain your home. And if damage happens because you didn't, they're going to deny it. Number five, mold. This one is complicated. Some policies cover mold if it's a result of a covered loss, say a pipe burst and mold grows before you can clean it, but mold caused by humidity, poor ventilation, or ongoing leaks, that's almost always excluded. And even when mold is covered, there's usually a sublimit, meaning they'll only pay up to a certain dollar amount, and it's often not much. Number six, dog breeds. Some insurance companies will not insure a home that has a high-risk dog breed living in it. This varies by carrier, but if you have a dog, any dog, it's something that you need to be upfront with your insurance broker. Beyond the big exclusions, these are the gaps that are more subtle but just as dangerous. Home-based businesses. If you're running a business out of your home, even something small, your homeowner's policy likely has very limited coverage for business property and zero coverage for business liability. If a client visits your home and gets hurt, your homeowner's policy will not cover it. High-value items. Your personal property coverage has limits on certain categories: jewelry, fine arts, firearms, collectibles. There are usually sublimits of $1,000 to $2,500 per category. So if you have a $10,000 engagement ring and it's stolen, your policy may only pay you $1,000 or $1,500. You need a scheduled personal property endorsement, sometimes called a floater, to fully cover these items. This is another very inexpensive item to put on your homeowner's policy. Vacant homes. If your home is vacant for an extended period, typically 30 to 60 days, many policies will reduce or eliminate coverage entirely. This matters if you're in between tenants, doing renovations, or spending months away. There are specific vacant type policies to address this. And here's the thing, none of these exclusions are secrets. They're right in your policy. The problem is most people never read their policy. And a lot of agents and brokers don't walk their clients through these gaps. That's not how we operate at Vargas & Vargas Insurance. We believe that you deserve to know exactly what you're covered for and exactly what you're not, because you can't make a good decision about coverage if you don't have the full picture. So here's what I'd recommend. Pull out your current homeowner's policy and start with the exclusion section. If you don't know how to read it, that's exactly what we cover in our next video. A line-by-line walkthrough of your current declarations page. Watch that video next. And if you'd rather just have us review your policy, all of our contact information is in the description of this video. I'm Carlos Vargas from Vargas & Vargas Insurance. We'll see you on the next video.